Hello everyone, today we are with yet another topper and this is Ashi today with me. She has crossed all the barriers, done exceptionally well in the CLAT examination, and right now she is getting into the Harvard of East, the National Law University Bangalore, and that is where I welcome you Ashi from this. How did you prepare Ashi for CLAT along with your 12th boards? As I understand, the 12th boards and CLAT simultaneously is a very difficult task, and you were one of them who could do it very easily. So just tell them how you managed with your 12th boards and CLAT, because this is a question which many students face at this time and they don't know what to do.
So ma'am, I was serious about CLAT since I joined Vidhigya. I joined in 11th class in Aspire batch. So aligning it with 12th preparation was a bit of a task, but I managed it easily. I used to plan daily schedules. Then they were aligning of my 12th material. Like I was in humanities, so a lot of things I studied there was helpful in my CLAT preparation. So that too, and then you just need to like when my result came, I was low in my spirits that did I give too much attention to CLAT, but then I scored 93%, and that is when it hit me that you'll always get what you'll work for. So it again boosted me, and then I went ahead with my preparation.
So I think this is a lesson for every one of you that working hard will always reap good benefits. So don't worry about working hard. Just go ahead and do your best, and that is what Ashi did with her 12th boards as well as with her CLAT examinations. She did not overthink. She just took it in her stride. So Ashi, leaving all these things apart, just share with them what were your morning rituals after you joined Vidhigya.
Okay, so in my 12th class, I initially used to wake up at 5 a.m. because there was school also and there was coaching also in the evening. So to buy extra time, I used to study for CLAT. Paul sir started this 5 a.m. club. There was a group, and everyone, all the students had to report at 4 or 5 with a good morning text. And I did it for 1 week, and it became a part of my day. And then I can't imagine right now my day or doing anything without first planning it at 5 or early in the morning. And then also GK, I think the best time would to learn it would be in early morning. So that is why I used to wake up early.
So I think this is one thing which Vidhigya wants each and every student of Vidhigya should imbibe, and that is getting up yourself in the morning hours and organizing your day. That might just help you with the entire day and also on the D-day of the exam. So I'm sure that might have helped you a lot for the examination as well, Ashi. So keeping everything apart, just tell them, how did you used to manage your daily goals?
So for daily goals, ma'am, I used to sit with our coaching's weekly schedule, and then I used to see when is the class, when is the test and all, and then I used to set up my daily goals so that I'm done with both my self-study and I'm not left behind for any assignments or that I have left a material provided by the coaching. So that helped me to put together all of the things properly.
Ashi was very good at managing actually. So I think that has helped her a lot, and I think that is one good thing that she learned was to manage her time well, manage everything well. But Ashi, how was it for preparing for all the subjects together? Can you elaborate and tell them something about it?
So ma'am, for all the subject, I think the material provided by the coaching was very extensive and it required a lot of time to go through all of this. But once you're gone through everything in a month given to you, you feel a lot of confidence. And also our coaching followed this schedule that once they'll teach you a concept, the 2 or 3 there'll be practice sessions where you'll live interaction with the teacher and they'll solve it with you, and then there'll be mocks and tests. So that polished us throughout that process, and in the end we were like close to perfection. And then also about the mocks, there were a lot of mocks, and apart from the mocks, the analysis, which is the most important thing, that was very extensive and rigorous. So that helped me find out where I am standing and where I need to be to go where I want to. So that was very helpful.
So I think there was a lot of rigorous testing which was done, which
Yes,
helped you
ma'am.
a lot,
A
Ashi.
lot of tests.
So I think that is one thing Vidhigya wants every child to do, and let's make it this way that the more you practice, the better you are in anything in life. So, what suggestions would you give to your CLAT aspirants, and why would you ask them to join Vidhigya?
So, like every teacher in Vidhigya says, you are so much stronger than you think you are. So, you just not need to give up. You just go through everything provided to you, all the study material. Respect and trust your mentors. Ask doubts. Don't be shy, and read all provided to you properly. And don't lose trust on yourself, and you will make it through.
So Ashi was very much confident about it, and she tried to do what maximum she could during this time. She utilized her time really well, I believe, and that is why she is here right now. And Ashi, what is that one value which you were planted with at Vidhigya, and which is going to help you in your career? And I think Ashi is aspiring for becoming a judge, so she is looking forward to it. So what is that value which was implanted to you at Vidhigya?
So, ma'am, when I look back at myself when I joined in 11th, then I was this girl scared of problems, challenges, new things. But now I see this one thing that has changed in me after joining Vidhigya, being with Baul sir, with all his zealous sessions and everything, is the way I perceive problems in my life right now. I don't think I'll call them problems anymore. I think more of them as challenges, which just need to be overcome, and you need to stand strong. You know you'll make it. That's the point. You'll make it, and you think you'll make it, and then everything's done then and there.
So I think Ashi was very good at it, adapting to it also, and she understood this fact really well, that over a period of time you have to become better, and each day you should just strive to become better, and that is what she did. She became the best version of herself and had flying colors in her 12th boards as well as in the CLAT exam, and that is why she has landed in Bangalore. And all the best to you, Ashi, with this, and wish you a great successful career ahead.